In this video, you'll learn how to send a test email in Mailchimp. The process will help you ensure your email campaigns appear as intended before sending them to your entire audience. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see your dashboard displaying various options and campaigns. Next, locate and click on the Create button. This button is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. After clicking it, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select different types of campaigns and content. Once the drop-down appears, select the option to replicate an existing campaign. This action will prompt Mailchimp to display a list of your previous campaigns. Find the campaign you wish to test and click on it to proceed. After this, you will be taken to the campaign editor. Look for the button labeled Edit Design and click on it. This will open the design interface where you can make adjustments to your email layout and content before sending a test. Then find and click on the Send Test button located in the design interface. Clicking this will open a new window where you can enter the email addresses of recipients who will receive the test message. Now select the option labeled Send a Test Email. This will allow you to specify the recipients for your test email. Ensure that the email addresses you enter are valid and that you have permission to send to those addresses. Next, click on the final Send Test button to initiate the sending process. After you click this, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your test email has been sent. You will also see a note stating that your recipient should receive the test email shortly, along with any relevant timestamps. Finally, click on OK to close the confirmation message. This step completes the process of sending a test email in Mailchimp. Keep in mind that if your email is large or contains many images, it may take longer to send depending on your internet speed. Make sure to check your available storage in Mailchimp and your email service provider to avoid any issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.